guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from your GoPro on your PC. You can either use your SD card and use the SD card adapter, or if you guys have this Type-C, then you can connect directly. If you guys don't know how to open them, you can pretty much check my previous video. And once you guys have connected, power is on and it's going to show camera, and you will see USB connected, and as well as you will see this pop-up message that your GoPro is being connected. This is the Hero 11 that I have right now. You need to go there and open up, then you guys can see there will be like DCIM folder. So go there, you can find any files that you guys wanted to capture or copy. I don't need to, you can delete from here if you think that's a bad file. I'm just going to delete this just like this. As you guys can see that I'm deleting 30 items, and you won't see them on GoPro as well. Now I'm going to copy my files. Alright, these are the files that I need to copy on my computer. Right click and then simply copy. Now you can go to any folders that you guys wanted to. I'm just going to put this on my picture folder. Now I'm just going to create a folder, Ctrl+Shift+N to create a new folder. I will type your GoPro just like this. I don't know if you can see or not, but this is the GoPro folder right now. Now opening up this, right click and paste, and boom bada boom, your GoPro files are being transferring your computer. You can do this same process on your Mac as well. If you guys are using Linux, same thing goes there as well. Yeah, this is how you guys can copy files and folder. You can see that pretty much. I was testing this camera on high shutter speed, and you can see this one as well. Pretty much this is very good quality. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.